for the sport. I thought ISSA would have introduced something similar, even to the Diamond League, when they go through the finishing line and you have the fireworks and that. But I guess that will be coming soon.
Yeah. Quick trek over to the shot put area. The Class 1 girls final underway. This is Excelsior's Katie Gordon, who is inside the circle here. As that final has gotten underway. Gordon of Excelsior, 12.49 in qualifying, getting to this final. And looking to get an early mark on the board. And lots of power behind that one from Katie Gordon, and she gets the white flag as well. This on her first attempt. And, much like cricket, it runs on the board. It's a mark on the board. And we'll tell you 12.16 meters for Katie Gordon on that first attempt, representing the Eagles of Excelsior, who have been simply soaring at these championships. Tiana Brown of Woolmer's Girls up next, finalist at the corporate area championships. 12.48 in getting to this final. Brown using the spin technique and not much behind it. Coach Wilson, maybe need a bit more speed there inside the circle.
Need some amount of speed. 30 meters to qualify. Has to try and get in a throw and then experiment from there. That's what we normally tell them, because you must get a mark on the board. So with a few more corrections, she should be getting the distance up. That's 11.77 meters for her.
Yes, and that's for Tiana Brown of Woolmer's Girls. All right, we're going to be going back to trackside with Garfield Jones for a quick interview.
Thank you, Jerry. Yes, we have Addison James from Dominica to Edwin Allen. He's the new record holder in the javelin. Congratulations. Talk to me about your performance